Hey, hi guys, I'm playing Minecraft. I'm playing Minecraft now. I'm here. I'm playing. I'm speedrun. Oh, stop. Oh, hi guys. I'm just helping my brother. Yes? Yes, I am. Yeah. I call it sleep. Breathe. Big green. Yeah, big green. Hardcore. Big green, the hardcore. Maybe. My brother is going hardcore mode. Yes. Not as good as me. Yeah. I'm bad when I'm good at gun fighting. I'm good at gun fighting. I'm good. I'm good. Leo? I know. Yuan is better at gunfighting, but I'm better at sword fight. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I have no shirt on. Come here. I will put a shirt on first. Sword. Put a shirt. Fine. In my face. A pumpkin. Start now. Maybe build a house or a zone comes and survive next day. Survive next day. Fire. Five. 2 days. No. Play. Go another room. Find the player. See bad Tommy will go over here. Bad Tommy. Or bad Tommy comes. It's not what Minecraft is. Roblox channel. Not me. They don't see my real speed. On here, repeat. Out. Here, green works again. Green Dora Tower. Landing over a water bucket. I'll try that. In the sky. Or how you work where you're dying. Almost there. I am back in business. Okay, come in. Go. This is my kuya. I know, everybody knows that is watching this video. Yes, subscribe. Subscribe. I need the fish or to jump the water or it works. Let's go! Let's go! Yes, it's work. Oh my god, house. 2 blocks. Ano that? Make a arm. I need to make a arm. Armor. I need to show my face. Oh, or slow mo. Okay, just kidding. I'm pro of course before it is you know what I'm doing. I want to see no real speed. You want to see okay. You want to see this? Say this. I want to say shout out. I'm waiting. But I'm good fighting. I'm good to fight. I'm good to fight. I'm gonna now don't be showing. I'm waiting. Let go. Let go. Look at my face over here. I'm playing. Look at me. I'm a pro. It's slow. What? I'm a pro. I'm not a noob. I'm a pro. You gonna show me a pro speed? I'll show you real speed. Ow! Hey, 7-12 have 3 shots. Hello. Boom. I don't know how that's English is. Boomy. Sammy, Boomy, what? Get shopping. Oh my gosh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 failures we are. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're 3. Wait, there's 5, then 5. Yes! I found him! I kill him. Yes, I kill him. Mom! Here's this. It is sniper. It is sniper. Sniper. Different voice. Yes. Come on, try to see me. How do you see me? See me? See me? Yes, I found him. Oh my gosh! Ow! I'm finding that long. I'll change the name myself. I can kill him. I can kill him. I have 9 shots. I can kill him. What? What? What is that? I'm not gonna. Look at me. I'm just here. Missing one. What? I'm horde mode. Yeah! I killed someone. I was loaded. Oh, we win! We win!